Welcome back. This is Johnny Clouds here at A18 Vapors, and today we're going to talk about a new pod system from Uwell called the Caliburn. This is a pod system device with mainly used for salt nic, but you can use regular free-base nicotine in it. And inside the box comes the usual stuff: manual, USB charger cable, 2 ml pod, and let's take a vape on it real quick and we'll talk about the Uwell Caliburn. The Uwell Caliburn here has a 540 milliamp hour battery, measures 110 by 21 by 10 millimeters in size, compared to the Juul, which everyone probably knows what a Juul feels like. It's a little bit wider, a little bit longer, but it is comparable. It's still compact, feels really nice in the hand. It comes in multiple colors. One thing about the Caliburn that I like a lot is it is push button or auto draw activation. So let me show you here real quick. There's a nice little button right here. It's really easy, and you can just hit it like that, and you can also turn the device off. 1 2 3 4 5, and it'll blink, and now it's off, and 1 2 3 4 5, and it's back on. The auto draw feature on this is fantastic. It is very easy to activate on the auto draw feature. If you like a push button for a little more consistent vape, it offers that also. So let me show you the auto draw and show you the button activation and see if there's that big of a difference here. We'll go with the button first. So and then we'll go with the auto draw feature. I like them both. I have to say, with the Caliburn here, the auto draw activation is almost effortless. It is probably one of the best auto draw features out of many of the salt nic devices that I've reviewed. Let's talk about the pod real quick. The pod is top fill, and it has a vertical coil. You want to take this little plastic thing off real quick like this, and what's nice about these is it's not usually this difficult to get them off, but I have no grip today. Okay, so the fill port here is rather big, and you can actually put the needle of a salt nic bottle in this, and it's almost big enough for a eyedropper here. What I like about the pods here is they're absolutely clear, so it's really easy to see how to fill them. And I'm going to fill one up here. And what are we vaping on today? The guys at Hometown Hero, Laser Wolf. We're going to be vaping on some, here it is, Sticky Bun Ice Cream by Laser Wolf. But they have a bunch of fantastic flavors also. Frozen Margarita, or not frozen margarita, frozen peach rings, which is right here, and strawberry margarita, which is right here. This stuff is fantastic. You should check it out if you're into those flavors. I'm going to fill up this pod here real quick. I have it partially filled already, but I just want to show you guys here. Get this pod off real quick. Alright, where's this Sticky Bun Ice Cream? With any pod system, you want to fill it up and let it sit for a few minutes to make sure the coil is saturated completely. As you can see, it's halfway filled, and it's very clear, so it's easy to see if it's full or not, like that. And with this one, it is one just large compartment. As you can see, the juice will go to both sides, but you can fill on both sides, which I would suggest. You know, what's nice about these pods is there's no gasket right here like some of the other systems, like the Smoke or Miko or the Nord or anything like that, where you have to pull a little rubber gasket out, and the two plugs that fill these two fill holes is built into the cap, and you just push it on like this and just throw it into your device like so. and you want to snap it down. And let's take another rip because this flavor is fantastic here. The USB charge port is on the bottom, and like I said, it has a 540 milliamp hour battery. It comes in a wide variety of colors. Standard black, this like teal green, which is like this pink / rose gold type color, and multicolor rainbow. It's like a blue to purplish pink fade. There's a few other colors here also, but as for the Uwell Caliburn, it's a nice handy device. It fits in your hand and it's quick on the go. But yeah, you should come check them out here at A1A Vapors. And I'm Johnny Clouds, keeping it cloudy. Everyone have a fantastic weekend and keep on vaping.